Are you tired of feeling anxious every time you back up your RV? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Furrion Vision S Wireless. First up is the Furrion Vision S Wireless RV Backup Camera System. Priced at $200.29, this system caught my eye with its wireless setup and infrared night vision. If you want peace of mind while reversing, this is worth a serious look. This system features a high-resolution 720x480 camera that provides clear images, even in low light. The infrared night vision allows you to see what's behind you after dark, which is crucial for parking safely at night. Plus, it boasts a wide viewing angle and stable wireless signal tested up to 100 feet, so you won't be left guessing what's lurking behind your vehicle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Imagine backing up your RV and clearly seeing everything in your path, especially when navigating tight campsites. The built-in microphone adds an extra layer of safety by providing audio feedback while you park, so you can avoid bumping into obstacles. With over 800 units sold in the last month, it's clear that others are finding value in this system too. Now, some people complained about the installation process being tricky for non-prepped RVs. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy, you can manage it without professional help. The instructions are straightforward, and if you already have a prepped RV, installation is a breeze. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable camera system that's easy to install and offers great night vision. Skip this one if you need advanced features like multiple camera views, but for most casual RVers, it's a solid choice. Now, if the installation complexity of the Furrion Vision S bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera. Next up is the AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera Solar Magnetic System, priced at $205.44. This caught my attention with its dual split screen and solar power feature. If you want a quick installation without any tools, this is definitely worth a look. It installs in just 1 minute, thanks to its powerful built-in magnet. You can also use it on non-magnetic surfaces with a provided metal plate, making it incredibly versatile across different vehicle types. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Less time spent installing means more time enjoying your trip. With a signal range of up to 524 feet and solar power that allows for up to 20 hours of continuous use, it's perfect for long adventures without worrying about draining your battery. However, some reviews mentioned issues with the signal in extremely hilly areas. But honestly, most users report solid performance, and if you're mostly driving in flat or open areas, you shouldn't experience any problems. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel off the beaten path and want a hassle-free installation. Skip this one if you need a multiple camera setup, but for a quick and effective backup camera, it's an impressive option. Alright, that was a solid choice. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want multiple camera views. Product number 3, VTimes Wireless Backup Camera. The third product is the VTimes Wireless Backup Camera, priced at just $63.42. This budget-friendly option caught my eye with its strong wireless signal and blind spot detection feature. If you're looking for an affordable yet effective camera, this is definitely worth considering. With a 7-inch HD monitor, you're also getting a decent image quality at 1280x720 resolution. Plus, the blind spot detection feature activates an alert when it detects obstacles, which can save you a headache when reversing. Here's why this matters for you. It provides an easy way to enhance your safety without breaking the bank. Many users have praised its easy installation process and robust performance, making it a solid choice for novice RVers. That said, some users reported that the monitor could be a bit difficult to see in bright sunlight. But honestly, as with most tech products, you might just need to adjust your setup or find the best angle for visibility. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want essential safety features. Skip this one if you prefer high-end features or superior image clarity, but for basic needs, it's a great starter option. Now, if you want a more premium option with a bit more flair, the next product might just hit the spot. Product number 4, Furion Vision S 5-inch Monitor System. Coming in at number 4 is another gem from Furion, the Vision S wireless RV backup camera system with a 5-inch monitor, priced at $231.10. Its compact design and solid features caught my attention. If you're looking for a system that packs a punch in a smaller package, this is worth your time. This camera also features the same high-resolution 720x480 and infrared night vision capabilities as the previous Furion model, ensuring you can navigate safely in low light. The 5-inch monitor is anti-glare, making it easier to see in varying light conditions. You get the same stable wireless connection tested for up to 100 feet, which is great for reliable performance while on the move. What's great about this system is that it can display an image from up to 4 different cameras. This means you can have comprehensive coverage of your surroundings, which is essential for avoiding obstacles while backing up. However, some users have noted that the monitor size may be on the smaller side for those who prefer a larger display. But I'll be real with you, if you're mainly using it for backing up, the size is manageable and effective. This is perfect for you if you want reliable performance but in a more compact monitor. Skip this one if you prefer larger screens for viewing ease, but it's a solid choice for many RVers. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate in terms of features and performance, the final product on my list is a must-see. Product number 5, AutoVox Triple Split Screen System. Finally, we have the AutoVox wireless RV backup camera with a 7.2 HD 1080p triple split screen monitor, retailing for $449.42. This model really stands out with its advanced features and versatility. If you want the best of the best for comprehensive visibility, this is definitely a product to consider. This system features a triple split screen that allows you to see the rear and both sides of your RV simultaneously, which is a game changer for safety while maneuvering. With 1080p clarity and infrared night vision, you won't miss a thing even in the dark. The signal strength is impressive too, stable up to 500 feet, ensuring you don't lose sight of your surroundings. What's particularly appealing is its DVR loop recording feature, which continuously captures your journey. This could be invaluable for insurance claims or just preserving memories. However, this model does come at a premium price point which might not be suitable for everyone. But I'll be honest, for those who prioritize safety and want a comprehensive system, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want the most advanced features and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but for those who can afford it, this system could be an essential tool for your RV adventures. To wrap it up, we've covered some solid RV backup cameras. The Furion Vision S wireless, AutoVox wireless backup camera, VTimes wireless backup camera, Furion Vision S 5-inch monitor, and the AutoVox triple split screen system. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the AutoVox triple split screen system because it offers unparalleled visibility and recording features that really enhance safety. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the VTimes if you're looking for high-end features, as it's more of a budget option. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.